Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the mouse pointer moves when you keep pressing the arrow keys, then please watch this video. Now, my thing is that it can either be caused by third party software or by mouse keys. But before anything else, just restart your computer. It usually fixes the problem. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and restart your computer. Then turn off mouse keys because mouse keys are the ones where you use arrows to manage the mouse. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select mouse and you'll find mouse keys. Make sure that this switch is off. Next is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Now the command is msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. Simply press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Paste it here and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The last solution is to troubleshoot in clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.